Hello viewers, I'm on screen with you again on my channel, so I want to welcome you to my channel. Have you ever wondered about the water cycle? And do you know that the composition of water on earth from inception is still the same composition? So it's not far-fetched as a result of the flow of water through the water cycle. I worked with engineer Babatunde on this documentary.
I know Mr. Alan will love this video because this is something that has to do with his field of study. Mr. Alan, I'm taking this video documentary for you. I'm at the Zuma Resort Center and I can see this natural stream flowing. So I decided to come close, although it's risky, but I'm taking the risk for you, Mr. Alan, because there could be reptiles here, anaconda and other big snakes, but I don't really care because we're exploring. I should have come with a jackknife. Just you remember the Boy Scout days. I decided to take a bold step by following the stream down. Okay.
I like the fact that you follow the stream down the line, because a cross-curricular with geography tells us that water flows from highlands to lowlands, and it depends on the edaphic factor of the area. Zuma Resort is a tourist site to visit, located in Niger State of Nigeria, West Africa. Talking about water bodies, they come in different shapes and sizes due to their formation. Now, water keeps moving from highlands to lowlands in tiny tributaries until it becomes bigger water bodies. But you should know that the smallest water body is the spring, and it's metamorphosed into brooks, then brooks to streams, streams to rivers, rivers to ponds, ponds to lakes, dams, and to the biggest water bodies where they empty themselves, known as the ocean. So you can study more on these types of water bodies, but I'll quickly talk about the fjord. Fjord is spelled F-J-O-R-D, and it is a water body that is long, narrow, and deep inlet flowing between cliffs, and it can be way deep depending on the topography of the area. It interests me in movies when protagonists and antagonists fight through this water and it empties them into a bigger water body. Now, a closer look at the 15 largest rivers in the world, from the Nile River to the Niger River, all the way to the Brahmaputra Sangpo River. I implore you to do more research on these largest rivers, and that takes us to the longest rivers in the world, and there are 10 of them here according to their length in kilometers. So we have the Nile River, which is 6,750 kilometers, all the way to the Amur River. Now, the importance of rivers cannot be overemphasized. First, as a natural habitat for aquatic life forms. Secondly, it regulates the temperature of the environment through water cycle. Water also serves as a means of transportation. Water helps to regulate the environmental balance, which we call the natural balance. Worthy of note also is the use of water for domestic and industrial purposes, and also for combat purposes in terms of protecting our borders and so on. A lot more can be achieved through the study of marine science or hydrobiology. This is where I draw the curtain thanks to my crew. Special credit to Engineer T is by from Zoologist Alan.